Welcome to this episode of the Iron Train. In today's episode, we are going to be showing you how we prepare sauce in a Luwombo. And in this case, we are going to prepare beef in a Luwombo. Luwombo is when you cook sauce in banana leaves. So in this case, we are going to prepare beef in a banana leaves. So it's a traditional sauce which is delicious. So I'm going to be showing you how we prepare it. So as you can see, we are trying to cut the banana leaves that we are going to use to prepare the sauce. And Harriet has said that we have to use the banana leaves that are not yet too old.
Yes.
Yeah, that are not too old, because we don't want them to tear for our sauce to pour. So this is our beef that we are going to prepare with the Luwombo. So we are we have to first put it on fire a little bit, yeah, so that to enhance the taste. So this is, we are trying to prepare our fire that we are going to use to cook our food. These are our bombos. Banana leaves. So we have to put them in under the sun for a few minutes so that we are able to work on them.
Zaffe kati tumaze ziwotosaako mu kasana kati tugenda zijja tutandika ozibabula n'essanja zisobole okukola kye twagala.
So now we are going to begin working on our mpombo. So we are preparing this what to use. Normally when we are working on the mpombo, we use the dry banana leaf. So Harriet will tell us more about the dry banana leaf. Harriet, kakati tubadde tusaba otubuulire omugaso gw'okkalirira ku mpombo mugaso ki?
Empombo nga bwe nabagambye twamaze oziwotosaako mu kasana. Kati lino essanja tuliteeka wano ne tuteekako omuliro ne tuziyisaako ng'era bwe mugenda okulaba. Ne zibeera nga ziba ziwunya akawoowo ate n'okujja obulungi ne ziba nga ziyidde. N'okukyusa kkala.
Kubanga na luno ndulabye lukyusizza. Era luno ndulaba lwa njawulo ku luno. So we have to burn it until it changes the color, because you can see this color is different from this one. So the main aim of burning it here is to give us that aroma in our sauce. Yeah, that aroma. And also to make it hold the sauce properly so that our soup doesn't pour. So as you can see, when you compare this to this, there is a very big difference. So you can see this one, which has already been burnt, is totally different from this one.
Empombo zino tuziyubuluza ne tuggyamu emiziŋŋoonyo egyo okusobola okubeera nti zisigala nga lugonvu kati nga gy'oluzza gye ludda. So oggyamu emiziŋŋoonyo egyo lw'oluzza w'olwagala bwe luba lulina okudda. Kuba luba lulebera nga lugonvu. Bw'oggyamu omuziŋŋoonyo guno kiba kikuyamba okulukozesa obulungi ne lukola ky'oyagala. Wano mba njubuluza ng'era bwe mulaba nkola. Nga tetunnaba kuteekamu nva zaffe. Tuzitegeka bulungi.
We have to prepare 2 small pieces of banana leaves for each Luwombo. These are called obuwuwo. One is put at the bottom before the sauce is put in, and then the other one is put at the top after putting our sauce in the Luwombo.
Tugenda sekula ebirungo byaffe kati ng'ono galiki n'entangawuzi tubigatta wamu ne tubisekula ne bigonda bulungi ne tulyoka tubitabula mu birungo.
We have tomatoes, we have onions, we have Irish potatoes, then we have smashed, so we have grinded, we have grinded ginger and garlic. This is a mix of ginger and garlic which we have grinded from there. So these are the ingredients we are going to use in our luwombo.
Era kino bakiyita kimu, guno baguyita musekuzo, ogusekula.
So we are preparing our ingredients for the luwombo. We are going to fry them with little cooking oil. We are using the stove because we want our sauce to get ready fast, and we are using it from inside the house because we don't want to use it outside where there is a lot of wind that is blowing. After frying the onions, we are now adding in our Irish potatoes. This is our beef that we've cut into small pieces. We are now adding our tomatoes. We are now adding our pounded ginger and garlic. We are adding our curry powder, which is called chico. Then we are now going to add our royco. Now we are adding in our royco. We are now adding in our beef. We are adding in our salt. We've added in water to make our soup. It's time now for us. It's time to put our beef in our pombos. Those are the banana leaves that we worked on earlier.
Empombo tetussaamu ssuka mungi. Kabikkako. Awoowo.
See, our lemon is done because we put it under the pan and then we have to buy it. Because the sauce is very warm.
Obuvunnyoonyo buno bwe tuyiza munda bwe twazizza ku ndagala ate era bwe tukozesa nga tuzisiba tuzisiba n'onyweza. Mama mutambire ku luwombo. Ttaano neera eziŋŋoonyo gino nagyo bwe tuba tugiteeka mu seffuliya tetugitema na kambe. Buli lw'ogitema n'akambe kitegeeza oba otemaatema mu famire. Eziŋŋoonyo tumenya mimenye oba n'oginyola bunyoozi bw'otyo nga bwe nkoze naye nga togitemye na kambe.
We use the mid ribs on top to avoid our luwombo from tearing, because when we use the petholes, they can easily tear. So we use the midribs to avoid that, and then we have to put this banana leaf on top after, where we lay our mpombos. We then put this banana leaf, we fold it, and then we put it inside to hold the mpombos family. It's called oluina. I don't know how we call it in English, but it's called oluina. So we put it here to hold the mpombos family. As you can see, we are now putting our mpombos inside, and this luina is holding them family.
Tusibe empombo 12. Kanirwenda. This one is Wabana. Ngekamba kati bwe ziba tezimala buli omu ajja siyalingana.